So today, me and my little brother are playing Lethal Company, and it is very chaotic, doesn't always go to plan. And please, can my brother stop landing on the landmine? We shall see. Well, brother, it seems that we have a new profit quota today.
I like turtles.
Oh, won't let me land it. You land it.
I got you. I'm fast. You're never gonna catch me.
Imagine running.
Wait a minute.
What?
You wanna go fire exit or main entrance?
I don't know. Usually you want to go in the main entrance. Because you're always too scared.
I'm not scared. You're the one that's scared.
You're the one that's scared.
Imagine I walk into a turret. Ooh, there's bottles.
Wait, there's a turret? Oh, you made it. An engine. It's hidden. Oh, dang, you scared me. Bro. Stop messing with the lights. I'll try going straight, even though I doubt it's a good idea. Be careful. Don't you dare. Really? All of that just for a dead end? Where'd you go? What are you doing?
I'm here.
He just thinks that he can just die and not have to do any work? No. He's going with me to the fire exit, whether he likes it or not. Okay, you wait right here, okay? Hold that. Yep. Just knew it. We're gonna get something good. This is the first day, and I'm all alone, so I probably could just get all this stuff and leave. And now we have 2 engines to carry, and that's gonna be a drag. I hear the door. And something hissing at me. I think that's my sign to leave. No hydrosphere for me. Hey, if you can hear me from the afterlife, do not make the ship leave. You hear me? Okay. Here's that. Okay, here's the second object. And that's the last engine. And a metal sheet. But now I have to do one last thing. Ah, yep. Thank you for carrying that. Looks good. You know what? No. Come here. There we go. And that made that way easier. Looks good. Yes. Pretty much like quota. Yay, we did it! Let's go! Let's get out of here! All that hard work. You just wait out here. There you go. You stepped on the landmine on purpose. I know you did.
I carried.
You carried? Bro, I had to carry like 4 different heavy stuff. The valve? Are you serious?
It was the only place available.
Okay, whatever you say. I just know you made us come here for the beehives, didn't you?
Where's the beehives at?
I knew it. Are you about to fall?
No. Okay, I see.
Did you find
It's a
anything?
veil.
Oh, okay. What? Why do you keep trying to die? What are you doing?
That wasn't me dying.
I don't know, man. Just jumping off the cliff? Kinda
I
sus.
didn't jump.
No. There's a stop sign.
I'm not scared anymore. I don't need to go over there though.
Hey,
Let me
you
see that.
took
Let me
our
see that.
mail.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Get him.
Nah, but that's a spider.
Oh,
Can they come over here?
why is there some? Why are there all these well, spiders and insect, but still, go away. What? Why is it trying to get over here? It can't get over here,
No way
right?
it can come. No way it can come over here, right?
Yeah, it can't come over here.
Oh yeah,
It
get
sounds
those
like
two
you're
licks in.
farting.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm the king. There you are. Come here. Ooh, a whoopee cushion.
What? Get out of
Look
here.
all I got. Come here. Oh yeah. I'm the goat.
Let's see how much we got. We almost already got our quota already, but hey, no funny business, okay? This is serious work. No, stop it. Stop. No farting on the
Sorry.
job.
I
No
ate hot
farting on the
Cheetos.
farting on the job. You hear me? This is serious business. Oh my god. Hey, you just dropped your stop sign. Come here. Yeah, big bowl, tea kettle. See, we're way over our quota. Hey, you! Stop it! We talked about this.
Sorry, I had something bad to eat.
Well, you can't defeat them. Join them. Okay, I think we should go back to experimentation. Or wait, I know what we're gonna do.
Bum, 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 bum.
Never mind, we're not going to your favorite place. Hey!
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh my god. Come on, let's go.
It looks like you're not going nowhere.
Come on, we gotta go get our quota, man. Stop trapping me.
We already got our quota.
Yeah.
Beehive! Hold up.
Oh my gosh, wait.
They're right there.
Oh my gosh. Bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all don't have to be so mean.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Got it already.
Well, you got your beehives. Might as well go check the place out.
How's only one beehive? That's messed up.
What's up with you and beehives, man?
But if we get like 20 beehives, then we're rich.
Oh my gosh. I'm not getting 20 beehives. Have you found anything? Oh, I guess that's a yes. So, this is all we got together. Do you want to just leave, or do you want to go to the fire exits too?
We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. I like turtles in my fleas. I got a lot of hee hee.
Wait, what about the beehives?
I'm gonna go get them.
Okay. You good back there? Come on.
Bum, 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 bum.
How much does it cost? Oh, that's pretty good. So all together, we have this quota and our next quota. So that's pretty good.
We got $166,000. Oh my gosh. Yeah, $166,000. Oh my gosh. Turn around. Coming for your show. Yeah.
What are we selling? I'm guessing we're keeping the whoopee cushion.
We're keeping.
We should sell that and this. That should be like a little bit over, but I don't know if we have anything cheaper than 15. Okay. Hey, calm down now. No. I can't take him anywhere. No. Please just take it. Please don't eat me. Thank. Thank you. You died on me again.
You're gonna die.
You died on me again. 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 You died on me aga That was $39, man. We got enough for a profit quota, but oh my gosh, what are you doing? Do you want to go to a fence or march?
March.
Of course. You got to be kidding me. It's over here. It's over here.
Too far away.
No.
Well, guess I gotta do a quick snack.
They're still chasing you. There you go. Do you want to go to main entrance?
I'm at 1 HP.
What?
They bullied me. You ain't even gonna do nothing about it.
You're right. I'm definitely not going to do anything about it.
You better go do something
Okay, that's definitely way too far.
Go, go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. He almost got us both killed. Hello?
It's killing me. But I'm not gonna do that. Hello? Anybody
Hey.
here?
Oh, wait.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was a flashbang.
Oh!
Well, looks like he made it back. Must be nice.
12 seconds later.
Why are you bleeding so much?
I'm bleeding out.
What's going on?
Alyssa, help me. Help me.
You're just, why are you holding your side like that? Bro. Start the ship. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what happened to you?
What? You forgot to grab the beehive.
Oh, I'm sorry. We already have another one.
You could have more money.
I'm sorry. I just was so confused. So we can come back here, or do you want to go to Val, or do you want to stay here? I know this is your favorite map.
Stay here.
I know.
Stay here.
I know it. Where'd you go? Wait, where'd you go? Hey!
To Narnia.
Hey, I found a large axle and a tea kettle. Hello? Are you there? Oh my gosh, you scared me. What? Wait! What's wrong?
One suck my lollipop.
What's over here? Did something scare you? You got to be kidding me. Okay, that's the last of our scrap, and now I'm just going to leave. What was that?
Oh no, because they added a new creature in the game.
Oh wait, you want walkie-talkies? They're 70% off.
How much are they?
They're like $3.
I bought 2 of them. I thought your place was a house place. Bro, this thing keeps...
I know! I'm gonna have to reorganize. This is crazy.
Oh no, oh no.
What is going on out there? You're bleeding! Shit! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those got me killed! Walkie-talkies! I'm kind of lost. I have no idea where I am. Nope. Nope. I'm not doing it. Are you alive? Oh, he's dead. Oh my gosh, I'm lost again. I've been here 1,000 times. Oh, there it is.
Bro.
What happened?
Fail. And also, you forgot the beehive.
Oh my
was in,
gosh, I'm
bro.
sorry. I keep forgetting.
I did not know that the whatever that thing is called, the blob can come with me. I did not know that, so that's why I jumped.
You jumped? That's how you died?
Yes, I failed.
We still have enough for our quota. More than enough. How much is that?
About to go see. But Alyssa, don't put that.
What?
We could have just got rid of this, it would have been exact. I'm wondering, is it 10? They say do it 10 times, but then you're kidding.
We value your commitment.
Oh, I got blood on the lollipop. Oh well.
I heard you bought something. What did you buy? Huh?
I bought
What
you
did
another
buy?
walkie-talkie.
Oh, do you still have one?
Yes.
Probably because he died.
Nah, we're fine. We're fine. I found a beehive.
Where you at?
I'm by the ship.
Is this it over here?
Yeah, that one over there.
Think I can climb up that ladder in time?
I don't know. Well, it's blocked by a pumpkin.
No. No, stop. I had a nice life.
Oh, hello. Oh my gosh.
Is there a bracken? I bet you won't pull up right now. I bet you won't. Oh, well, there's a fire exit. It's
Really?
a Coke bottle.
Oh, how nice.
It didn't move.
Let's see if I can make it. Oh, I did it.
You won't pull up right now. You won't pull up right now.
I hear something. Oh, you wanna know something?
What?
We haven't really seen any of the monsters. The only ones we've seen was the hoarding bug and the spider.
Yeah.
We haven't found anything.
We got the Coke bottle.
40 so far. How are you gonna get that
I gotta
on the
check
ship?
message.
Are you almost dead?
Oh no. Yes.
Get
Oh
it!
no.
What? Bro! Oh, I can't jump! I can't jump! Everyone else, stand up! Oh my gosh, leave! Leave! Leave!
Oh my gosh. I can't hear.
Me either!
Where we at?
Your
We're
favorite
at Mark.
place.
What the heck?
What?
Hello?
Hello? Oh my gosh, I thought she died. I haven't found anything. How do you always find all this stuff?
Because I'm not scared anymore.
I'll go to the fire exit. There has to be at least something I can get.
Take it right. Keep going. Wait, look behind you, look behind you, look behind you, look behind you!
We haven't really seen any of the monsters. Oh, the fire exit's right there.
There's a turn in the room. Go that way. Yeah, get that, please.
Okay, I managed to find this. Wait. I have to do it again. Hey! What the? What the heck? Oh! Yeah, one of those things outside just took one of my stuff.
What things?
I had to go back and forth and it stole my axle. That thing over there, yeah, it stole it. Back up!
Hey man. Hey boy. Hey bro.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bro, had it do me like that? I couldn't move!
Oh my gosh.
How's my walkie-talkie?
Again! You have to get another one.
Don't buy me another one. Don't buy me.
Oh my gosh. You wanna... We gotta get out of here. It's eclipsed. We cannot be here.
No. What
We're
day
still-
is it? I thought I just said...
It's our last day, right? Yeah, it's our last day. Let's just go back to experimentation, because usually nothing could go wrong with that place. Okay, it's our last day, and it's the perfect chance to get ahead of our quota, so we gotta do this. Why am I even holding my walkie-talkie? Oh. Well, there goes that. Okay, well, I don't think there's anything else to do, so there's only one last option. Go, 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 go. Are you there? What was that?
Melissa, help me! The bracket!
What? Hold on. Where are you?
Melissa?
I don't get paid enough for this. Are you still alive? Hello?
Hey, bro.
I can't see you. What the heck? What was going on in there? Hey! Don't take credit for
I've been
that.
through a lot in there. I've been through a lot. The
Like
bracket
what?
was up in there running across my screen, bro. This dude came in the same room. It was going down up in there. I had to pop one of these on him.
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
My ear! What the heck?
I had to use one. We got $166,000. Oh my God. We got $166,000. Oh my
What is that
God.
even from?
Oh no, I just made it up.
Well, Seth,
Oh,
we're about to go to the
okay.
company building, so...
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to buy I mean, I don't know if there's any suits on sale, but
I know one thing I want to buy.
what's that?
The person have 357.
Oh my gosh! Come get it! Hey, open up! I said open up! Get my crap, man. Get my trash. Ooh, it's way more than enough. What are you doing?
I'm buying something.
Okay. But what are you buying? Why did you get teleported? I mean, that's a good purchase, but what else did you get?
You see.
Hey, be careful with that. That's a weapon.
Wait, actually, come here. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
What are you doing with the ladder?
Stand right here.
Okay.
Don't move at all. Bro, oh my god. You know what?
Well, there's one way how to use this. What? It won't let me bring him back. Oh my gosh. Thanks for the ladder.